How to delete your Discover account and cancel all services. So in here, the very first thing that we want to do is transfer all deposits out for banking or pay your balance to $0.00 for your credit cards, right? So after doing that here, so let's just say you are on your banking, right? So in order to transfer all of your money out, what you're going to do is get your Discover application, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on payments, and after getting on your payments, you'll actually be able to transfer all of your money and make your balance to $0.00, right? So after doing that, now what are we going to do is cancel any sort of recurring subscriptions or bill payments attached to your account. After doing that, what you can do is simply contact your customer service. So you can either call them or you can even get to their physical bank in order to cancel all of your services. So in there, there's two different number for their credit card service and also their banking service. So you can call on either of one of them. You can easily find that online. You can research them and call them in order to finalize the in order to finalize the permanent closure, and just like that you will actually be able to delete your Discover account and also cancel all of your services. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.